Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton is challenging 3 conservative judges on the state's highest criminal courts.
He's trying to shake up the Court of Criminal Appeals after they ruled the Texas Constitution prohibits the AG from prosecuting criminal charges. Our Ryan Chandler spoke with 2 Republicans Paxton is targeting and shares what's at stake.
Sharon Keller has led Texas's highest criminal court for 24 years. In her hands is literally life and death.
If any big death penalty case or any case that's been in the news, it's probably been in our court.
In her nearly 3 decades on the court, she's drawn a reputation as a tough-on-crime conservative, a strong supporter of the death penalty.
I've always been criticized, if anything, for being too conservative.
But not enough for the conservative Attorney General. Ken Paxton and his wing of the party are rallying against Keller and 2 other Republican women on the court. It stems from an opinion back in 2021, where the court ruled 8-1 that the Attorney General does not have the authority to prosecute election law violations. The court found the Texas Constitution reserves that power for district attorneys.
Since 1836, the Attorney General has never had the duty to initiate criminal prosecutions. It seems that our Attorney General is angry at us because we were not partisan political activist judges on his behalf.
The conflict going national. Donald Trump Jr. wrote on Monday, Texas is under attack by activist judges like Sharon Keller, Michelle Slaughter, and Barbara Hervey, who have stripped AG Ken Paxton of his authority to prosecute election fraud.
Texas politics are not local anymore. These are national fights, and that can be pretty influential. There are going to be a lot of people who are paying attention to this race who otherwise weren't, and that's the kind of place in politics where, as an incumbent, you're going to be pretty nervous.
The incumbents say the campaign is all misinformation, hoping their conservative credentials will carry them back to the bench.
That is more misinformation. Of course, we didn't strip the AG of his authority anyway. The Constitution did it.
Ryan Chandler, KXAN News.
And we did reach out to the candidates running to replace the judges featured in this story. They have not yet responded to our requests for an interview. Now remember, early voting runs until March 1st and Election Day is March 5th.
Going in depth, new polling from the Texas Politics Project at UT Austin asked voters if the Texas House was justified in impeaching Paxton. Nearly half of participants in the poll said yes, the House was justified. Just over 20% said no, and 30% didn't have an opinion. Out of 49% who voted yes, 74% identified as liberal, 36% independent, and 28% conservative. The turnout was opposite for those who voted no, with 37% of them identifying as conservative, 19% independent, and just 7% as liberal.